Hello, my name is Hagar. I'm from Israel. I came here to do my teacher training because I really wanted to explore and to understand more about Ashtanga and to get to know the poses one by one I wanted to know the alignments of each pose and to know the anatomy and how to engage my body in a proper way. Um, I also thought that it would be nice to teach, and after the training, I really feel that I got the tools and the qualifications to start my way as a teacher. Joanna and Martin are super professional teachers. I learned a lot. I've been practicing Ashtanga Yoga for almost 3 years now, but I always went to lead Ashtanga classes. And here in the training, it was the first time that I have done Mysore style. It was really good experience. It really surprises me how different it is than the way I was used to practice before. And I feel that it really, I've, I've improved a lot because the teacher get to adjust you and pay personal attention to your practice. And Joanna and Martin are so kind and generous, and they really want you to improve, and they are so patient, and they let you ask them all the questions that you want, and give you the answers. So it was really good. It was beyond my expectations. I didn't think that it's going to be this way. And about the facility, I think like Evia Island is really amazing place. It's so beautiful. Also, after 24 days here, I still can't get enough of this view. And the food is great, and the staff here are so kind and generous, and just really smile and makes you feel at home. I think a big part of this journey that makes it so special is the group. All of the people that are here are so nice, and we really bonded, and it makes the experience so great. Like, it was the first time in my life that I've been in a place for so long without anyone that speaks my language, and I needed to get to know people from all around the world. It was an amazing experience for me, and I'm really thankful for that. And I think like it was really good decision. I was a bit scared before because I thought, what will happen if I feel alone, and what will happen if I will not feel, if I will not like the style of yoga that they teach here, and if the teacher will not be professional and they will not give me the tools in order to become a teacher. And I feel like the minute I got here, I felt like after the first day, I knew that everything is going to be perfectly fine. And after the first week, I felt like it was beyond any expectation, because I didn't think that I'm going to learn so much how to adjust students and how to approach them. And not only that we learned how to do it, we also had a lot of opportunities to practice the adjustments and to try it on one another, and to get feedback from the other person and also from the teachers here. So I really feel like I've done all the mistakes that you can do with your future students. So I did it here in a supportive environment, and I really feel that I'm ready to start my thing. So I really encourage you to sign up. I think for me it was like one lifetime experience, and I'm really glad that I did this and give myself this amazing present. Namaste.